Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Man Blitz tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to Pass Defense. In Skill Trainer, go to Man Blitz. A blitz is strategy where defensive back will rush into the backfield to sack the quarterback or disrupt the play. Blitzes work well in situations where a deep pass is probable, like a third and long. Formations with the quarterback under center are also good opportunities to blitz. Blitzes are effective on rollout or bootleg plays because the quarterback is usually unprotected. Hold the offense to minimal yards with the man blitz defense. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.